Sri Baba diagnoses the problem of the patient thoroughly within 10 minutes. Sri Baba asks the patient to sit in front of him. He will blow air on a white paper and gives it to patient, asking him to cover the deceased part for few minutes. After few minutes, he collects back the paper and dips in a tray filled with water. To our surprise, the picture of detective part appears slowly on that white plain paper, indicating the problem of that particular organ with arrow mark. Even the date of the treatment will appear, according to which Sri Baba treats the patients. Sri Baba starts treating the patient, taking the name of God. Sri Baba takes a small piece of paper and folds it in another piece of paper and ties with threads. Then he places this on the patient deceased part for few minutes. Then unfold it. To our surprise, initial small piece of paper turns into a taviz. Now Sri Baba is totally ready for treating the patient. He wets the paper and places it on deceased part of the patient. Sri Baba placed the taviz on another white paper and he sent it into the deceased part. The taviz makes a way for Sri Baba's hand till the deceased part, and holding the troubling matters, the Baba's hand returns from body. To do all these treatments, Sri Baba takes hardly few minutes. Sri Baba blew air on another white paper and paste on treated part. That's all. The treatment is over. यह सब ईश्वर का चमत्कार ही तो है। No anesthesia for patient, no blood shedding and no stitching marks or scratches on the patient's body to be seen.
అంత అవసరమా ఇప్పుడు రావడం?
The patient happily walks away on his own. This is a miracle of God.
औरंगाबाद महाराष्ट्र।
पहले क्या है प्रॉब्लम आपका?
बस ये कंकर का ही था।
कंकर का दोनों साइड में?
हाँ।
ये कितने निकाले कंकर?
देखा नहीं, गिना नहीं मैं।
किधर भी दिखा है आप पहले?
नहीं,
उधर
दवाखाने में बतलाया ऑपरेशन करना पड़ेगा, फिर यहाँ वाले होते हैं।
कितना होते बोले उधर ऑपरेशन को?
12,000 रुपये।
12,000 रुपये।
हाँ।
इधर पैसा लिए?
नहीं,
फ्री में करे?
एकदम फ्री।
आप कैसा रखे अभी?
अभी अच्छा है,
अभी अच्छा है,
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह एकदम अच्छा है।
And we pray to God to make Sri Baba's dreams come true. Goodbye.